Hi, you are watching Best Toy Cash Registers Reviews. Number 5. Little Tikes First Stand Realistic Cash Register. The first self-checkout stand is packed with hours of pretend play fun, including working lights and realistic sound effects that activate when items are scanned, or the debit card is inserted into the card reader. Features 3 interchangeable monitor screens so kids can pretend they're at the grocery, hardware, or clothing store. Kids can ring up the included accessories by swiping them across the flatbed scanner or using the handheld scanner. Number 4. Battat Cash Register Toy Playset. A childhood classic, this pretend play cash register set is just perfect for tiny hands and big imaginations. Sturdy design and fun details, designed with durability in mind. Battat's pretend cash register features a light-up and beeping scanner, a movable conveyor belt, a pretend microphone, beeping buttons, and a lockable drawer. Educational toy. Tiny ones get to use their imagination while improving their social and fine motor skills. Number 3. FS Toys Pretend Play Calculator Cash Register. When pressing the buttons, the register will read the word of the pattern on the button, so that kids will learn about the words. It beeps when scanning and when credit cards are swiped. The microphone on the register can amplify what your baby is saying, which encourage kids to practice speaking or sing a song. Kids can play this toy with friend or parents, which improve their communication ability and keeps them away from being alone with electronics. Number 2. FUNERICA Toy Cash Register with Scanner. Includes a cash register, a mini shopping basket, play money, and a play food set, featuring a mini play stove, play cookware, variety of play cutting veggies to slice and cook, and a chef hat. The brightly colored set of cuttable fruits can be cut with the included knife. Kids love to hear the slicing noise while cutting. Perfect to be used as a pretend cashier, to play restaurant or run a supermarket grocery. Number 1. Learning Resources Play Cash Register. Cash register for kids, working solar-powered calculator. Great value, includes 30 actual size pretend bills, 40 plastic coins, pretend credit card, an activity guide. Pretend bills measure 6.25 by 2.625. Pretend coins range from 0.80 penny, 0.995 quarter. Realistic, makes a cha-ching sound when the drawer opens. Imaginative play, encourages imaginative play. Encourage money and math skills. Great for learning about money and math. Thanks for watching our video. If want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.